How to check your SIM card phone number on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings. Inside Settings, simply scroll down, then tap on Apps. Inside Apps, search for Phone app and then tap onto it. Now inside here, you'll see My Number listed right over here. Method number 2 is to simply head back to Settings again. Scroll upward and then tap on Cellular. And just like that, you'll see your SIM card information including your SIM PIN and your phone number. After that, head back to your home screen. And the last method you can use is simply open up your phone application. And just like that, simply tap on Contacts. Now tap on All Contacts. Here you will be able to find your profile icon, tap onto it. And just like that, you will see your phone number. Now you know how you can check phone number linked to your SIM card, whether it's a physical SIM card or an eSIM. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.